Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CTS. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, backup camera, leather trim seats, heated seats, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Come see the car for yourself.